Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil 9 and your game is stuck on this black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this black screen problem on Resident Evil Requiem easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your games platform, and now you're going to go to your Resident Evil 9's games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program file 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Resident Evil Requiem here. You're going to go into it, and now you're going to have this dinput8.dll file along with this RE frameworks folder. Now what you're going to do is you're going to delete both of these things from here. So just delete both of these things. And after that, now you're going to restart your Steam, and then you're going to try to play the game. And when you launch the game, you'll see that your game will now work. It will not be stuck on that black screen anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.